Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this live HomeSnap Pro webinar. We're going to give everyone a few moments to arrive. Welcome, welcome. Hi, everyone. Happy Thursday. Welcome, welcome. Lots of you filing in. Welcome in. Hi. Welcome. Hi, everyone. Let's do a quick tech check. If you can hear me and see my presentation screen, please go ahead, drop a note in the comment box. Hi, Stephen. Hi, Jessica. Hi, Elise. Also, let me know where you're viewing from. We've got quite a few people actually filing in. I'm so glad. So I'm going to give everybody a few more minutes to arrive. In the meanwhile, like I said, sure, give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you can hear me and see my presentation screen. Thanks, Elise. Welcome, welcome. Where are you viewing from? Where are you licensed? Alabama. Awesome. Alabama, Stephen. You're in my region, the Southeast. And North and South Carolina, also my region. Awesome. So great. I'm going to give everybody one more minute. Great. Let's go ahead and get started. So, once again, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to join us here at HomeSnap and learn a little bit more about the differences between HomeSnap Pro and HomeSnap Pro Plus. My name is Rebecca. I'm from the HomeSnap training team. I am your Southeast education partner. Super thrilled to be here with you this afternoon on Thursday. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So, once again, today we're going to be talking about the differences between HomeSnap Pro and HomeSnap Pro Plus. So, first, I want to talk about HomeSnap Pro. Now, for those of you who are already using HomeSnap Pro, you already know all the awesome, incredible features that you get with HomeSnap Pro. So, I'm just going to run through what some of those are. And HomeSnap Pro, as a refresher, is your agent productivity toolkit. Okay. Uh, you get it completely complimentary as a benefit of your MLS membership. So you get all of these HomeSnap Pro features unlocked completely complimentary to you. I also want to mention, please feel free to type any questions in the question box as I'm going along. But once again, HomeSnap Pro is the exclusive Pro app features and toolkit that you get again as an MLS membership benefit due to our partnership with your MLS. So some of those features include extensive search capabilities, your sell speed feature. So when you are looking at an off market property, you have the estimated listing price and you can determine how quickly that property will sell. The net sheet calculator. The net sheet calculator feature is an awesome tool that you can use for your listing appointments. We have full integration with showing time, so you can go ahead and schedule your showings right there within the app. You have the ability to view off market properties and view homeowner contact information. So you can use HomeSnap Pro to prospect for free seller leads. Speaking of that, we have our property heat maps where you can view properties that are most likely to list. You can view properties that have been owned for 10, 15 years or more, homes that have a certain amount of equity in them. So just incredible, incredible prospecting tools. Our HomeSnap Pros, they love the walk the property lines feature. That's our augmented reality feature where you can literally and physically walk the property lines with your customers during your showings. You can send a rapid CMA. So we have a 40 plus page CMA that you can automatically generate. That is, again, completely free to you for being a HomeSnap Pro agent. You can create a safety timer. You can start a safety timer. So our HomeSnap Pros, they love this feature. Safety is so important. We've done some Facebook Lives on just that. So you can set a safety testing. You can set your safety timer within the app. And again, safety is so paramount, so important. Imagine you're meeting, for example, a Facebook lead for the first time. You can set your safety timer for, say, 30 minutes, an hour, and you'll set your emergency contact. And you can always extend the time and you can always end the timer. And we have the distress alert too. So our pros, they love that feature. Confidential data and documents. So, for example, any sort of commission information or showing instructions. As a HomeSnap Pro agent, you'll have access to all the confidential data and documents of a particular MLS listing. And for certain markets, you actually have the ability to edit your listings within the app. You can edit your listings within the app. You don't have to wait till you get back to the office to edit your listing. You can edit your listing right at the palm of your fingertips with your HomeSnap Pro app. So, these are just some of the HomeSnap Pro benefits. Again, I encourage you to attend as many of these Facebook Lives as you can, attend as many of our trainings as you can. We put a link in the comment section right here. You can go to www.homesnap.com/university. Again, that's homesnap.com/university. We have tons of tutorials and webinars, both recorded and live. So you can dive in deep to what HomeSnap Pro is. And again, it's a free benefit to you as you being a member of your MLS. So that's again just a brief snapshot of what HomeSnap Pro is. Again, I can't stress it enough to attend some of our trainings, mine, everybody else on the training team. We have tons of just incredible information. We can only scratch the surface during these sessions, but attend as many of the trainings as you possibly can. And again, all of this is included completely free to you. Now we're going to talk about HomeSnap Pro Plus. So, a common question I get during a lot of our training sessions is, well, do I have to pay for HomeSnap Pro? So, no, you don't have to pay for HomeSnap Pro, but HomeSnap Pro Plus is a separate premium service offered by us. I want to just do a quick little exercise for everybody here. All my realtors here watching, if you can go ahead and Google your name and the word realtor and see what comes up. As you can see here on my slide, when you Google your name, you're going to see one of two things. You're either going to see your name, and then to the right of it, you're going to see nothing. So right there, you'll just see a blank. Or you're going to see to the right your Google My Business profile. So Google your name, and if you want to put it in the comment box, tell me what you see. Tell me if you have one, if you don't have one. But again, HomeSnap Pro Plus is a membership to the suite of tools that we've already built. And what it's meant to do is it's meant to increase your exposure online. It's essentially a brand name builder. We will deliver high performing automated management of your Google My Business profile. I'm going to cover just some of the features that that HomeSnap Pro Plus offers. But some of the core features include you get a verified Google business account. We have one click review collection. You get a custom agent website. You also get advanced heat maps and filters. You have the ability to see who has viewed your profile and listings. You get custom lead pages for your listings and an enhanced HomeSnap profile and so much more. At least I'm so glad you have one. That's awesome. Fantastic. So I want to run through just some of these features one by one. The first one I want to talk about is the enhanced Google Business Profile. So Elise, I know you say you already have one, but with us, with HomeSnap Pro Plus, you're going to get an enhanced Google Business Profile. What this means is that you're going to get verification and management. So we will verify and manage your Google My Business profile for you. Verify means that Google has confirmed that you are the person that you say you are and you're at the address that you say you're at. And manage is really the key to boosting your ranking within Google, and you're going to show up in more search results. So, for example, Elise, that your clients have no problem finding you on Google, accessing your contact information, and seeing that you are a reputable agent. We know now anytime we decide to look for a service, where do we go first? We go to Google. We always go to Google first. So really we're going to again verify and manage your profile. You're going to get that fully branded real estate website for your business. Okay. So everything is automated. Everything is automated. And it's a much more cost effective website solution. And you can claim a new domain, or if you already have an existing domain, we can go ahead and transfer that over to you in just minutes. You'll have the ability to see who has viewed your listings and profile, as I mentioned before. You're going to get an enhanced HomeSnap agent profile. So, what we're going to do is we're going to sync your Google business profile with your HomeSnap agent profile. So, it's enhanced with the information that impresses and converts prospects. And for those of you who are already actively using HomeSnap Pro, you will notice next to, for example, if you're prospecting for seller leads, next to some of those heat maps, you see the Pro Plus label. And the more and more you dive into the app, you might see Pro Plus next to a certain feature or a certain section. So you're going to get a lot more just enhanced benefits of the app. So, how Pro Plus works, again, we're going to create that optimized business profile. What we do is we generate and manage your services, and we do automatic posts and updates for you. So again, the purpose of this is really just to take away all of the work for you. We do all of the work for you so you can get back to doing what you do best with your business. So everything is automated. Once again, on agent websites, you are going to be able to get your agent website. It's going to be completely customized within 24 hours. And once you subscribe with Pro Plus, you will receive an email with how to set up that agent website and our reservation process. As I mentioned just now, again, those property heat maps, you're going to get a much more extensive ability in within the property heat maps capabilities. So this is your prospecting tool. This is what you use to prospect for seller leads. And there are some premium property heat maps that you will be able to access with your Pro Plus membership. Listing leads pages. So you get to optimize this for both your mobile and desktop. So this will again be automatically created for you, and it will be created with your headshot. Again, we take away all the work for you. So if you have a listing, this is just a way for you to get more leads. I also want to mention that we're going to be posting for you every 7 days. And again, this is going to increase your search engine optimization. And it's really, really important for you to post regularly to your Google account. So I know, Elise, you say that you have an account, but posting to it regularly is very, very important because Google will reward you with more appearances in search results, as I mentioned before. And prospects will see a more active, well rounded profile. Okay. But again, we're going to do all the posting for you. Everything is automated, so we take away all the work for you. One click reviews. So reviews are so, 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 so important. Couple stats here we love to share. 86% of consumers will read online reviews before they choose an agent. And one single positive review will result in a 250% increase in your appearance on Google. So, once again, when they are Googling best agent in your area, the more reviews you have, the better. And it's important for them to be not just plentiful, but also frequent. So, lots and lots of reviews, but you also want them to be frequent as well. So, you don't want a bunch of old reviews, but likewise, you don't want a bunch of new reviews. You want them to be kind of consistent, at least a couple every few weeks. And we have this one click review tool available for you, which makes gathering reviews just very, very easy. Especially if you have reviews on other platforms, this is a really great tool for you to use to recapture those reviews and bring them to the Google platform. Another feature too I do want to talk about is the enhanced homeowner profile. So as a Pro Plus subscriber, you will get access to enhanced homeowner information again when utilizing those prospecting tools. So you're actually going to get unlimited contact information with full public record breakdown for current ownership. And you as a Pro Plus member will get to know your target homeowners, lead and contacts with additional demographics and social profiles and related homes. That sums up everything I wanted to cover today. I know it's a lot of information. I want to encourage you to go to homesnap.com/pro/plus for more information. I want to leave these last couple minutes for any questions you might have. Any questions? And once again, if I can really just sum everything up in plainsman's terms, really, the point of Pro Plus is just to automate everything for you so you can get back to doing what you do best as a realtor. Thanks, Medini. Thanks, Jessica. But everything is automated. If you have any questions on anything, please feel free to bring those questions to the question box right now. If you think of anything after the fact, you can email us. Our email is training@homesnap.com. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in the comment box so you can see it. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us here. Any questions? All right. So, once again, I want to thank you so much for joining me on this Facebook Live. Oh, it looks like I have more people joining. But we're going to go ahead and sign off here now. This demo will be in the Facebook feed, so you can always rewatch this at your leisure. But again, feel free to email us if you have any questions. Today, we just talked about the difference between HomeSnap Pro and HomeSnap Pro Plus. Once again, HomeSnap Pro being everything that you already get with your MLS membership, and HomeSnap Pro Plus being that complete digital marketing solution for you. Okay. Any questions, please reach out to us. Danny, it says your chat is not showing. I'm not sure what you're viewing this on, if it's mobile or desktop. But as I mentioned before, you can always go back to facebook.com/home snap app, and you can always rewatch this at any time. Hi, Matt. What a great audience today. Awesome. Well, everyone, happy Thursday. Happy home snapping. Look forward to seeing you on our next Facebook Live and hopefully on a webinar as well. As mentioned, go to homesnap.com/university to check out our training offerings. We look forward to seeing you on a webinar. Bye, everyone.